Alright, here's what I want you guys all doing today. I know it's not robotics, it's 3D modeling, but that'll be fine. We'll continue to do robotics on Monday. Let's just leave the robots alone for now on the desk and just make sure while you guys are working, please don't eat or drink in class. And that's about it. So we're going to get started with this. What I want you to do, because you've never signed up for this, click sign up. You're going to choose United States, and then please do this, do January 1st, 2000. This will make it easier if for some reason you ever forget your password, okay? Just believe me. Do it. And then you're going to do, like mine would be, at wccschools.org. So you're using your district email address, and then for your password, I want you to, for a password, it should be, well, no, do it this way. Put your student ID number and then your initials. Mine would be HN, okay? Please make that your password here. At least 3 unique characters. If it doesn't let you do that, then add an exclamation point at the end, okay? So student ID number, initials, exclamation point. But if it doesn't require that, then don't put the exclamation point. Okay, let's go to Tinkercad, and I will show you what I want you to do. So I'm going to sign in as myself. So when you guys first sign in, it might ask you, it might put you in like a lesson where there's like some spiral staircase. If that's the case, up here in the left hand corner it should say exit lesson. So you'll click on that and it should take you to a screen that looks like this. I already have stuff in here, you don't, but you're going to create things. So click the blue button that says create new design. And the first thing that we're going to do is a keychain. It's one of the easiest things to print on the 3D printer, so eventually we'll do that. So you're going to grab that red box and bring it out. Just click and drag with your mouse and stretch it there. And then click on that top box, bring it down to, and actually if I want to change this from the number value, I hit tab on the keyboard, so tab, and then 3.0. That's a good thickness for this. And then you want to go to text. You can grab text. Some students before would put their Instagram handles. You can do whatever you want as long as it's appropriate. Don't put inappropriate language on there. So I typed Helms. Doesn't matter what color it is. 3D printer only prints in one color. I mean, it only prints solid colors. I have multiple colors, but like, let's say you want it to be red and white, you have to choose one of the colors. It's only going to be red or it's only going to be white. The other thing is if you do it white, you can paint it. And if you paint it, it can be in multicolor. So, cool, it fits on there. If you needed to, you could always adjust this too if you wanted to make it longer or whatever you needed it to be. Okay, so your call on that. Go ahead and play around with this if you want, but eventually I want you to get to a point where go back to basic shapes, click on the cylinder. Let's make this cylinder, if we click on the corner box there, oops, let's put it in a place where you can see this. Right there, hit tab, 10.0, tab, 10.0, and then click away. I'm going to bring this over here because a keychain needs to have a hole in it so that we can put it through a keychain. You guys, a lot of students put these on their lanyards last year with their student IDs. And then finally you're going to group these objects. When you group them, the hole should show up. And then now you can move this around and it's not going to get, it's not going to fall apart. As soon as you finish this, I want you to screenshot it. So hit the key on your keyboard that's print screen. You can go to Paint and hit Paste. select, and then I want you to select the image here, click crop, file, save as, and I do want you to save it in pictures right here. So see where it says pictures right under, well, it should be near documents on your computer. Don't save it in the pictures folder for robotics because this is not a robot. I want you to call it keychain sub, and then you're gonna hit save. Mine's gonna ask me it already exists because I made one of these earlier. I'm gonna click yes. It won't ask you that. I'll close this. So as soon as you have that, you go back to the Google Classroom, and then you're gonna submit it to the assignment here, that image of your keychain. So that way I can see that you did what you needed to do while I was gone. If you had any issues, make sure that you write that. You can send messages to me on the submission part. So just let me know if there was a problem for you. And when you're done, you can always go to teach3dp.com. So teach3dp.com, and then if you go to video lessons in Tinkercad, then you can look at other video lessons if you want to keep creating stuff on Tinkercad. That's great if you want to. And then also, you could just mess around with whatever you wanted on there. If you want to listen to music quietly, I'm okay with that. And that's all I want you doing for the day. Oh, last thing, change the name of that. So I just clicked in there, keychain. Boom. Does this thing save automatically? Yes, it does. It's cloud-based, it's online, so it saves automatically. And we're good.